Hi, this is Sharon from the Cordova Branch Library, here to share some more stories. Today we're going to share stories about rain and rainbows. They're both great and important, but we should start with our good morning song. Here we go. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and sing hello. All right, are you ready for some stories? Let's start. Here's the first one, Ducky's Rainbow. Ducky walked home through a red poppy field. She was in a hurry. She hopped under the orange bridge and waddled through the yellow cornfield. She hurried past a big green tree and paddled across the cool blue pond. Ducky arrived home and looked up at the indigo sky. The violet clouds floated and the rain came down. And when the rain ended and the sun came out, she saw a beautiful rainbow. The end. All right, we have two more stories. This one might be my favorite one. It's called Rain. It's by Manya Stujic. We think of rain because in Memphis it rains almost every week, and there's 52 inches of rain in a year here in Memphis. But in some places it doesn't rain very much at all, and this is what can happen. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. Porcupine sniffed around. It's time, she whispered. The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras. The lightning flashed. Rain is coming, said the zebras. Porcupine can see it, smell it, and we can see it. We must tell the baboons. Thunder boomed. The rain is coming, said the baboons. Porcupine can smell it, the zebras can see it, we can hear it. We must tell the rhino. Raindrops splashed. The rain is here, said the rhino. Porcupine smelled it, the zebras saw it, the baboons heard it, and I felt it. I must tell the lion. The lion spoke in a deep purr. Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And I can taste it. It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. When the rain stopped, everywhere long feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. I can't taste the rain now, said the lion, but I can enjoy the shade of these big green leaves. I can't feel the rain now, said the rhino, but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud. We can't hear the rain now, said the baboons, but we can eat fresh, juicy fruit from the trees. We can't smell the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole. I can't smell the rain now, said the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. The end. Okay, one more story about rain and rainbows. This one's called The Big Storm, a very soggy counting story by Nancy to Fury. And you can help count along if you want to. Here we go. The sky started to turn gray. Dark black clouds began to gather. Bird flew for cover. Now there was one in the hill hollow. The wind started to blow. Mouse ran for cover. Now there were 1, 2 in the hill hollow. Leaves started to swirl. Squirrel ran for cover. Now there were 1, 2, 3 in the hill hollow. Lightning started to crack and Rabbit ran for cover. Now there were 4 in the hill hollow. Rain started to fall and Chipmunk ran for cover. Now there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the hill hollow. Thunder started to rumble and grumble. Woodchuck and Raccoon and Possum and Red Fox all ran for cover. Now there were 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the hill hollow. And then Skunk squeezed in and made it 10. 10 critters huddled together, tight and snug, while the clouds gathered, the wind blew, the leaves swirled, the lightning cracked, the rain fell, and the thunder rumbled and grumbled all night long. At last it was morning and the sky was clear again, but all 10 could hear still a rumble and a grumble in the air. They turned around and found that sound was coming from 2 sleeping bears. Rumble, grumble. Out they flew before the bears got their scent. 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4. 3, 2, 1. Away they went. And what did they find? The big storm had turned into a very big, beautiful day. The end. Now, we won't have time to do a craft today, but let me show you 2 crafts that you could do. You can take paper and a craft stick and make an umbrella, and you can draw raindrops on it if you want. Or you can be like a rainbow yourself. Take a paper plate and some crepe paper and make a butterfly, rainbow, all kinds of colors. Wonderful thing to do. You can use it to pat. You can use it to eat. But the most fun is to wave the colors of the rainbow wherever you go. That's all for today. We need our goodbye song, and then our time will be done. Here we go. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Roll them just like this. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Blow a little kiss. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Try to touch the sky. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Time to wave goodbye. All right, we'll see you next time. Have fun in the sun and the summer and the rain and the rainbow and stories with the library. Bye!